I am putting this video out as an extreme caution to traders. I am seeing two patterns emerge on the Bitcoin chart that look extremely bearish for me. I know your favorite YouTuber is screaming all-time high right now, is screaming higher prices to you right now. But this channel is to bring you the truth and the reality of trading. Your favorite YouTuber was screaming all-time high here. Your favorite YouTuber was screaming 45K here. I was screaming short here. I was screaming long here. I am screaming short here. Will this work out? I am not here to tell you it will or will not. But I let my record speak for itself. I told you to long here. I told you to short here. I told you to short here. I told you to long here, short here, long here. I am telling you to short here. But you can do whatever you want. This is not financial advice. Go back in my video history, watch at these times, and tell me what I was telling you to do. Because I was getting so much hate in the comments for each of these calls. And I'm getting more hate in the comments right now. I love it, baby. I love it. Today we're going to go over these two very important charts that I'm seeing and reasons why I am shorting Bitcoin. Over on Blowfin, I'm sitting short. We are in a swing short, looking to take this down to party. Guys, I'm seeing some things on the chart that I cannot ignore. And I stick with my plan. I stay firm. And I do not waver. Over in Discord, I have alerted everyone we are swing short. I am swing short. Told them why. Guys, join the free Discord. It's pinned in the first comment down below. I did link my Elliott Wave course and my trading course in there for free for you guys. So if you want to get an overview of how I trade, just join the free Discord pinned in the first comment down below. We'll see you in there. Let's get into this. Boys and girls. Boys and girls. We have hit targets. We have hit our one-to-one of our ABC. I was calling for this way down here. I called for this target. This was the target I was calling for. It has been reached. I told you this high was going to get taken out before this low. When we were down here, I told you this was going to happen. It has happened. Now that targets are reached, everyone's like, oh, bullish, bullish, bullish. We knew this was coming. We knew this was coming. My target is reached. I've told you throughout the whole long up to here, because we were long, that I was looking short in this region. I was looking short. Do you think my plan has changed because we hit that region? No. It has not changed. So let's go through these charts. I'm sitting short. I am swing short, and I am chilling. If it stops me out, if it does not go according to plan, that is fine. If you guys want to trade over on Blowfin, they are no KYC. It's what I use to trade. It's what everyone uses to trade for their no KYC exchange now. They are simply the best. Pinned in the first comment down below is the link to get $100 refunded on your first losing trade of $100 or more. This link expires October 1st. We are almost there. So if you want to get in there and give them a try, click the link. You will get refunded $100 on your first losing trade of 100 or more. Utilize this. Give them a try. Let's hop into this charts. What are we seeing? What are we seeing? I see two patterns on the Bitcoin chart. Both are hitting targets right now. Both are pointing to the downside. Now, guys, this can very well keep pushing up towards all-time high. We have been on a freaking tear. A tear. It will come to an end at some point. It will come to an end. I will be wrong. At some point. But I go with the probabilities. That's why I'm a winning trader. That's why this is my career. That's why this is what I do. And I'm hoping to share this with you. Looking at the charts. Here is our first option. Here is our first option. This one has recently emerged for me. It's what I am seeing. The original option is right here, and that's still very, very, very much on the table. I need to show you this other option as well. I brought this to your attention yesterday. This 1-to-1 fib is a measurement pole of our A wave in an A, B, C. It's the one-to-one extension of our A wave. We have hit that. We are there. We are there. This is it. We are there. We have broken the high beautifully. And as of right now, I have a starting wave, which I have circled off of our bottom at 50K. I have a correction down in the form of a flat, an A, B, C flat correction down. Boom. We longed that, right? Was hoping for an impulse up out of here. That's what we were playing. Did not happen. Things change. But we were long for it. We knew we were going to be long for it. I instead have more of an ABC shape, a corrective shape up. For this to be invalidated, guys, I need this trend line to hold. Maybe we get a pullback, push off the trend line. We have a 1-2, 1-2. You're talking big time to the upside. I'm talking 120K plus. If this is actually going to break towards all-time high, that's what you're looking at here, people. Keep that in mind. Do you think that's going to happen right now? You tell me. Right now, I see an ABC shape that broke the high. So we have a correction down, a correction up. I'm looking at another flat, an A, B, C flat. In this case, we would have an impulsive wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. Targets on this are as follows. You would pull your fibs. The 1-to-1 is right here at 55K. There are bigger fib zones down here. Deeper fib zones around 50K. You do not want to see the low taken out at 49K for this count to be valid. But when this finishes, you would expect a matching wave at least of this first wave, if not all-time high, right? We will cross that bridge when we get to it. Right now, we're worried about this action, looking to catch a short. That's what I'm doing. You guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. Do whatever you want. 95% of traders are losing in this market. If you do what everyone else does, if you do what all the YouTubers are telling you, if you do follow the herd, you will be part of that 95% crew. Thank you for giving me your money. Thank you for being a part of my liquidity that I take. That's all I got to say. And the institutions and the market makers, thank you as well. Continue doing what you're doing. You're doing great. But for us, this is how we play. On to the next structure. This is, and this has been, my call since we were right here, really. Since we were right here. Definitely when we were right here. Definitely when we were right here. This has been the call. We have hit targets. We have hit our 1-to-1. We are pixeling off of it. Now, we're going to zoom in smaller time frame on this as well and see what it looks like close up and if this is a good spot for reversal or not. And I can only post one video a day, guys. So if you want to get my daily alerts, constant updates with what I am doing, guys, I am constantly updating everyone. I have 24/7 live Elliott wave charts constantly updated to keep you in check. My indicators are included here. I am constantly in the chat. You need to be in the free Discord. Go to upgrade here. Click the link. Tomorrow, this code will expire. You will get $30 off your first month. If you want to give it a try, use code 30OFF. This expires tomorrow. Saturday morning, this code will no longer be working. So if you want to get in and give it a try, do it now. It's the final warning on that. Ask everyone in the free Discord. Premium members will tell you what we're about in the premium Discord. We do not play games. It's the truth and it's the reality of trading. No fluff. On to our main count. Main count. Targets hit. Our low here that was put in at 50K gave us a nice starting wave. We still have our flat that I have mapped out in this. A flat. We still have that. Nothing has changed there. This count is saying that this is still a correction up, but we are interpreting this as a correction up instead of an impulsive wave up, right? Correction up, correction down, correction up. That's a WXY. I have it mapped out as an ABC. Technically, it's going to be a WXY. Either way, it's a zigzag pattern. And you would be looking for a matching wave to our starting wave here. So here's your start, here's your correction, here's your finish, right? Zooming out, you can see why I'm thinking that, because we have a W, we have an X, we need another corrective Y, finished all-time high. That's why this is our count. And in this count, we have topped out at the 1-to-1. I do not want to see this level broken. This can't get broken. Preferably don't want to creep too high past the 1-to-1. We can. I usually put stop losses right here, right in the middle line. We can creep, we can flirt around here. As long as we're sitting at the 1-to-1, it's fine. But we are pixeling this thing right now. Let's see if it holds. This is the count I'm looking for. Let's zoom in. Smaller time frame and see what's cooking. Again, guys, these things change so quick. Smaller time frame. This is what I'm seeing right now at this moment in time. But things do change fairly quickly, so you need to be in Discord for me to update you. I can't do it in each video. Smaller time frame, these things change constantly. All right. My music shut off in the background. I don't even care. What I am seeing is a finished correction down here. I am seeing an ending diagonal that has broken the high. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ending diags are always going to have corrective waves. Boom, 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 boom. The fifth wave is very likely to break out of the channel. All right. It has all the signs of an ending diagonal. Am I here to tell you this is finished? No, this could still be a WXY, right? And that can still be your ending diag. You can pull this 5 over here. You need to be aware of that. As Elliott wave traders, I am fully aware of that. But no matter the case, I am looking short here, and I will continue to look short here until we dip, until we get past like 67.5, until we get into these upper targets up here. Yeah, okay, I'm done. I'm going to chill. Let the market cool down, see what's going on. But I'm sticking to my plan. My plan is just getting started, guys. We are just getting started. We are at the levels I am talking about literally right now. Again, you guys can do whatever you want to do. I'm going to do what I want to do. And this is what I want to do, baby. So, if we are saying this ending diagonal has finished right here, because right now it does look like a zigzag down. We could hit it with another zigzag up. Can happen easily. You're going to 1000% want this trend line to hold here. 1000%. I know this is a far gap from where we are right now. Ultimately, you would want to watch for this being some kind of ABC up. Come into this fair value gap range. You can pull fibs on this most recent move down. Looking to come to like the 618. I pulled the fib backward, but same targets. Same targets. Right? 618. Somewhere up in here would be cute. I'd be really looking to short that for our big move down. Now, guys, there is a lot of liquidity still sitting up here. There's a lot of liquidity, right? I see it on the heat maps. I see it. I'm not blind. I don't care. You zoom out on the heat maps, there's way more liquidity down here. Way more. Smaller time frame, yes, there's more up here than there is right here right now. There's more up here than there is right here. Smaller time frame. Do they have enough liquidity that they snagged already? Are they ready to come down? Or do they want to get greedy and go take some more? They could do that. Either way, we're short for it. Guys, I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you've been learning with these videos, like the video if you have, subscribe to the channel for daily updates if you're not already. Join Premium Discord. Today's the last day to use this code. Last day. Tomorrow morning it will be deactivated. Hop on Blowfin. Utilize that $100 free trade. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Maybe we'll make a video tomorrow. We'll see. This is the weekend. I love you all. Trade safe.